How to withdraw money from CryptoGuru app. So if you want to withdraw money from CryptoGuru app, then what you need to do is first open up your CryptoGuru application. And once you launch, make sure that it is updated to the latest version available. You might notice a balance of like $30,000 or $3,000 displayed on the main screen. I mean $3,000, not 30,000. So it's crucial to know that this balance is virtual. If you see your virtual balance under your funds, it means the money isn't real because crypto functions as a trading simulator. It's designed for practice and not for real transitions. The app uses simulated funds to mimic the trading experience without financial risk. Since the funds are virtual, there is no real money to withdraw. It's all part of the simulation to provide a learning environment. If anyone suggests you that you can withdraw real money from CryptoGuru, then it's likely a scam as the app is strictly for simulation purposes only. CryptoGuru is a valuable tool for learning and practicing crypto trading without financial risk. Remember that the balance is virtual, making it safe platform to enhance your trading skills without the worry of losing real money. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.